Lying in bed, she was giving me head. Alarms rang, we ran like hell. I lost sight of her after I fell. Flames kissed the skyline, a hellish embrace. Ashes like snowflakes dance with grace. The sirens wail a requiem song in the land of dreams, where shadows belong. City of angels, now a funeral pyre. We rise from the ashes, consumed by the fire. Support one another through the smoke and despair. In this city of demons, we've learned how to care. Eyes wide open, the world's gone red. Memories flicker like the lives that we led. Cinders fall like tears from the sky. Each ember a whisper of how we all die. The streets we walk, now a short memory. Voices of hope lost